Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from MiJOMi. Now I was sent this by them directly. They contacted me through Facebook and they wanted me to test and review this light of theirs. I evaluated it. It's definitely a good quality little light. Start off with the specs here. As you can see there, it puts out 1300 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those specs, pause screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in it. And you get a little user manual here. Two O-rings. One USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Nice compact design. It's got the tail clicky here, side switch. This is also a battery level indicator. And you do have a clip here. Now you can remove this if you don't want it on there. It does have a semi-gloss finish to it. There's the charging port there. Now this does include a battery, so it's a complete kit. Style and design on this is nice. Now you can table stand that if you need to. No real heat sinking, but that's not too bad. It's not a really super high powered light. Now the machining and finish on this is nice. No issues that I can see. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the Osram P9 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this apart. I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Tail spring there. Heavy duty. Well greased threads. You want to remove this protection piece. And the battery that it comes with here is a 2600 milliamp. This is an 18650. This is a protected cell, and this is an 8 amp cell, so it should provide you plenty of power to run this light. Now my understanding is that you can also use unprotected cells because of the spring on the head. Flat top cells you can use and be able to run this light continuously. All you got to do is swap out the battery, and that's good if you're out and about and you want to make sure that you got continuous run time. You're ready to go. So now let's go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. Activating that light from the tail clicky Now using the side switch and go through those light outputs. See the battery level indicator there. Comes on each time that you change the light level. And then back down to the lowest light output. I'm going to go about right there. Take a look at that beam there. That's a quality beam. Definitely super focused hotspot there. I swear this was a dedicated thrower, but a little bit of bleeding around the edge of that. Very nice wide spill. Go through those light outputs. A lot of light output coming out of that thing. Now if you do want to get the special mode, and press and hold the side switch to get strobe. And that is a constant speed on the flash. Now simply click the side switch again. We'll go to the next mode. Thought it was SOS, but it's not SOS. Beep. Flashes, flashes, and then it flashes twice, and then flashes again, so interesting. And then simply click that one time. It does have memory mode. Turn off the light, turn it back on. It does memorize the last light output or the light you want in there. You can use it as a pressure switch. This kind of has a little bit of a tactical feel to it as well. Once you need it on, full press, stays on. Now this battery level indicator will start to blink red when it gets critically low. So you definitely want to charge it or swap out the battery at that time. Alright, well, impressive build quality on this. It's definitely budget friendly. That's another big plus. It's got the Type-C, comes with the battery. So overall, this is definitely a nice little budget friendly flashlight kit. And it is my very first review of them, so nice to see new companies send me their products. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little MiJOMi flashlight. I'm going to get started. That's the lowest setting there. It's got good battery power. Up close and personal. And it is faintly making that water spout, which is 35 feet. Let's go to the next level. Come alive. A little hazy out tonight. Not bad though. 65 feet to that tree. So it's making that at this light level. There's the beam on the fence. Give you an idea. We'll pan over here. I'll give you the idea. Let's go to the next level here. See how it does. Nice even spacing on the lower levels. And it is faintly making 138 feet to the Tree of Life. Kind of comes and goes on the fog here. It's not doing too bad. 65 feet to this tree here from where I'm standing. Alright, we're going to go to the next level here, see how it does. Impressive light output, and the beam performance is nice on this. See, it's making a tree of life there. Doesn't have any leaves, so it's kind of hard to get a good light beam on it. You can see the trunk. Do a before and after here and give you an idea. And we're going to go to the next level here, see how it does. Now the haze kind of comes and goes, which is pretty typical since our weather is really cold this time of year. Sometimes the fog gets so bad I can't even do night shots. So 65 feet to that tree again. Kind of see the fence line, tree line. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam. Definitely a wider spill area than I would imagine with such a small head on this light. But it's got some good range on this. And it's all because of that OSRAM LED with that reflector. It's almost a perfect match. Definitely is impressive. Does have a nice wide spill area, so if you're tracking something, an animal, tactical, or everyday carry, you can easily have that spill area lighting up your area as you walk, while you have that hot spot shooting outward in the direction of your target. So easy to operate. Nice that it comes with that Type-C. Now I didn't notice any kind of rapid charging with it, but it is definitely a nicer system. You don't have to worry about ruining the port, jamming it in the wrong way. Now this is a nice quality light. I like to feature good quality or above. Anything that I'd want to use and keep myself, definitely something that I want to show on my channel. I like to feature at least good quality or above, because it's just the evaluation process that I use to determine that. So I get a lot of lights that just don't make it, and companies sometimes are quite surprised, and but I want to keep it good or above. I'm not here to bash anybody's product simply because it's not a very good quality light. Rather just tell them, let them work on it, hopefully come out with something better. Alright, well I want to thank MiJOMi for sending me this J81 flashlight kit to review. Now if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description area where you can get this. I'm also working on a special discount code. Once I get that, you'll be able to save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these new lights from MiJOMi to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.